Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today video topics is best online brokers for beginners of April 2022. So let's check out best online brokers for beginners. So number one is TD Ameritrade. So TD Ameritrade trading commissions are $0 and account and minimum $0. Why we picked it? So TD Ameritrade has more nurturing and guiding a new investors a top priority. It offers its operates as well a rounded online broker platform with ample resources that we just to especially good for beginners. Okay, the educational operating at TD Ameritrade are second to none, ranging from in-person workshops to fully immersive curriculums and articles, videos, and webcasts. Okay, so the interim Ameritrades ground in the powerful, yet user-friendly think or swim platform. The swim platform. So pro and cons it has an outstanding range of educational resources, intuitive, easy to use trading platforms, and reliable, knowledgeable customer service and customer service. Okay, so and then fidelity investment. I mean, so it is a why we fit it. So let's check. Fidelity investigates an all around great choice for beginners, scoring well in every category of our review. We found that Fidelity is very competitive if in the area of commissions and fees, and it provides its a wealth and educational resources and defendable customer service. So Fidelity flagship active trader pro platform is both feature rich and easy to use. It allows you to select between a number of